Alright guys, so there's a shit ton of bikes here.
He didn't coordinate with the cops.
What is going on, everybody? It's Matt here from Two Wheels Hub. Of course you know it's Two Wheels Hub. You're watching the damn channel. Stupid thing to say. Anyways, I'm on my way right now to my buddy Thomas, Mr. Lightmode. Throw him up here for a sec. Bam! There we go. He is hosting a meetup for Lightmode Helmets. So I'm on my way there right now. Gonna meet up with my buddy Ricky. He's fan rider first. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I meet up with Ricky. And then we're gonna make our way to the meet. I wonder how many people are actually gonna come. Probably gonna be I wonder if we can get at least 100 people to show up. That'd be pretty sick. There's gonna be a lot of bikes at this, I think. So Ricky's bike is gonna shoot some mad flames tonight. I'll throw up a clip in here of him. I was riding with him a couple weeks ago. His bike was just spitting. Take a look at this.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Ah. Probably get some gas here real quick. When is it? Sure. Probably didn't have to get gas, but it always sucks being that guy who has to leave the group ride to get gas. That should be good. And yes, I want my receipt. Thanks. I make this light. I want to make this light. There he is. Look at that. Ooh, that popped though.
Should we go?
I don't trust it.
No, me neither.
No trust. Action! Ruckus! I'm gonna have to throw that clip in now too.
What is going on here?
Did you like that that picture I posted from the arcade with my BP? My foot's like on the ground. My arms are like the most crossed up thing ever. Arms locked and everything. I was like, I wonder how much hate I'm gonna get if I post this. How funny would it be if you like had no idea about this meet and you're like to your friends? Yeah.
And then you saw like a million bikes. Oh, you went? Holy shit! What the f? You didn't go?
I didn't know it was gonna change.
Oh, you weren't paying attention. See, that is how I get rear-ended.
No, because I ride in the proper lane position.
No, but if you weren't riding in the proper lane position, that is how I get rear-ended.
Hey, I was vlogging. Vlogging and riding.
It's a distraction.
Hey, do it for the gram. Do it for YouTube.
Driving. You're just doing distracted driving, and I'm gonna report you to the police officers. Ossifer, he is not paying attention on the road. Oh shit.
I don't know who that is.
Yeah, me neither. He's pulling up. You can tell he's going to the meet. He's got a nice bike though. Is that 1299? Yeah, 1299. Just like this,
No, do it for the gram. up? What's up, dude? A lot of hood rats out here. This is about to be wild. Ricky ain't want to be here no more. The highway gets going, it's going to be wild. This guy doesn't even have a plate on his bike, dude. It's on his backpack.
Didn't coordinate with the cops. He should at least take his helmet off. What a dick, eh?
Oh, look at that. Look at his eyes. Yeah.
Still here? That has gone ghost. He's gone Chewbacca.
I'm here.
Look at this guy on his fancy ass motorcycle.
Tiptoeing in his A-stars, trying to not drop the bike. He's flaming. Oh, oh! Lightmode Meetup got wild. Cops showed up. Oh no, I had fun. Nobody got hurt. It was a good night. Met some cool people. Saw some friends I haven't seen for a while. It's a good time. already follow me on Instagram, might as well subscribe here. I'm going to be posting content more frequently. It's not going to be crazy everyday stuff, but I will be posting a bit more, so it'd mean a lot to me if you could subscribe. And if you're going to subscribe, might as well hit that bell, turn on your post notifications. Anyways, I'm out. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one.